everyone. So, my topic for today is all about in 4.5 similarity. So, first, let's have an example number 1. So, let t r squared to r squared be the linear operator defined by using this definition. T of xy is equals to the quantity x plus y negative 2x plus 4y. So also let b sub 1 is equals to the quantity a sub 1 and a sub 2 be the standard basis for r squared, and let b sub 2 is equals to the quantity of 1 1 and 1 2. Be a second basis for r squared. Verify that the action on the vector v is equals to 2 3 by the operator t is the same regardless of the matrix representation used for t. So this solution, the matrix representation for t relative to b sub 1 and b sub 2 are, let's say, the standard basis and the non-standard basis. So the standard basis vector coordinates are exactly the components of the v itself. So we have b sub 1 is equals to 2 3. So, in getting the b sub 1 or the standard basis, we have 1, 1 and negative 2 and 4. So, ga-base lang ta diri sa ato ang definition. And, in getting the non-standard basis or B2, we have the vector represented as 1, 1. And then, the matrix representation of the b sub 2 is equals to 2, 0, then 0 and 3. So respectively, we have the vector of b sub 1 is equals to 2, 3, and the vector of b sub 2 is equals to 1, 1. So by applying this matrix representation of the operator t relative to b sub 1 and b sub 2, so we substitute the given from the transformation of b sub 1 is equals to b sub 1 times b sub 1 is equals to 1, 1, negative 2, 4, times na to na siya sa 2, 3 is equals to 5, 8. So, ang mahitabuan na, na to si 1 times 2 plus 1 times 3, then negative 2 times 2 plus 4 times 3. So, we have 5 and 5, 8. And in getting the transformation of b sub 2 is equals to the transformation b2 or vector b sub 2 times na to ni vector b sub 2. So, we have 2, 0, 0, 3 times 1, 1 is equals to 2, 3. So, to see that the result is the same, so we have t of v is equals to 5, i-times na to ni 1, 0, plus c8, i-times na to ni 0, 1. So, we have 5 over 8. And then, the transformation of v is equals to 2 times 1, 1 plus 3 times 1, 2. So, we have get also the 5 and 8. So, it means it matches the result of the linear combination of the basis vectors. Or in this solution, we could say that we have a short explanation. So, unahon na to na pangitaon na to si Victor na 2, 3. So, magita na to sa given Victor 2, 3. So, using the definition kanisiya na sa babaw, transformation x plus y, negative 2x plus 4y. We have transformation si xy, ilisa na to nag 2 over 3 is equal. So, si x plus y, so 2 plus 3, then negative 2 times 2 plus 4 times 3. So, we have 5, 8. So, pwede kato siya imong gamiton nga process. So, let's proceed in Theorem 15. So, let V be a finite dimensional vector space, B sub 1 and B sub 2, two ordered bases for V, and T to V over to V is a linear operator. So, let P is equals to I, so B sub 1, B sub 2 be the transition matrix from B sub 2 to B sub 1. Then we have the transformation of B sub 2 is equals to P raised to the power negative 1 transformation B sub 1 P. So this theorem describes how the matrix representation of a linear operator T changes when you switch from one coordinate system or the basis B1 to another basis B2. So this concept is known as a similarity transformation. So let T or T to V vector to vector, a linear operator that transform vectors within the same space V. Then, si T b sub 1 and T b sub 2, it means the matrix forms of T relative to the basis B sub 1 and B sub 2 respectively. Then, the P or the transition matrix, the change of basis matrix, written as I. So, mo ni siya ang formula written as I to B sub 1, B sub 2. It converts coordinates from bases B sub 2 to bases B sub 1. And then, the P raised to the power negative 1, it represents the inverse transition matrix. So, it converts coordinates back from bases B sub 1 to bases B sub 2. Then, proof based on the figure 1. So, we have here, the formula, we get the formula of T B sub 2 is equals to P raised to the power of negative 1 T B sub 1 P tells a story when read from right to left. So, basahon na siya, nato na siya or ato siyang masabtan from right to left. So, P stands for take an input vector written in B sub 2 coordinates and convert it into B sub 1 coordinates. Then, si T sub B sub 1, it means apply the transformation matrix using the B sub 1 coordinate system. Then, si P raised to the power of negative 1. So, take the resulting output vector which is in B sub 1 coordinates and convert it back into B sub 2 coordinates. So, that is all about this theorem 15. Then, let's proceed in example number 2. So, let T B sub 1 and B sub 2 be the linear operator and basis of example 1. Then, we have T B sub 1 is equals to 1, 1, negative 2, 4. Then, use theorem 15 to verify that T B sub 2 is equals to 2, 0, 0, 3. So, the goal is to find the matrix T B sub 2 using the known matrix T sub B sub 1. Therefore, the theorem 15 states that you can switch bases using the formula TB2 is equals to P negative 1 TB1 P. So, where ang TB1, T sub B1 is the matrix relative to the old basis B sub 1. Then, T sub B sub 2 is the matrix relative to the new basis B sub 2. Then, P is the transition matrix from B sub 2 to B sub 1. So, to find the transition matrix P and P raised to the power negative 1 because B sub 1 is the standard basis. So, columns of P are simply the basis vectors of B sub 2 written directly as columns. So, we have P is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2. So, find the inverse matrix P negative 1 using the 2 by 2 inverse. So, we have the formula of 1 divides AD minus BC, the matrix of D, negative B, negative C, A. So, we find first the determinant. We have 1 times 2 minus 1 times 1. So, we have 1. Then, we swap diagonal elements negate of diagonal elements, raised to the power of negative 1. So we have 2, negative 1, negative 1, 1. So, nag-get na to si P raised to the power negative 1. So the solution performs the matrix multiplication. Kani si P raised to the power of negative 1 of T B sub 1P from left to right. So, multiply P raised to the power of negative 1 by T B sub 1. So, we have 2, negative 1, negative 1, 1 times the matrix of 1, 1, negative 2, 4. So, we have here, so we get the 4, the matrix of 4, negative 2, negative 3, and 3. So, multiply the result by P. We have the matrix for negative 2, negative 3, 3 times 1, 1, 1, 2. So, we have 2, 0, 0, 3. So, this would be our T sub B sub 2. So, ing anaon siya pagkuha. Next, let's move on to example number 3. Let t r squared to r squared be the linear operator given by the definition, the transformation xy is equals to negative x plus 2y, 3x plus y, and let b sub 1 the quantity 2, negative 1, and 1, 1, 0, and b sub 2 is equals to the quantity of 1, negative 1, and 0, and 1. So, be ordered basis for r squared. Find the matrix of t relative to b sub 1 and then use theorem 15 to find the matrix of t relative to b sub 2. So, find the matrix of t relative to b sub 1 denoted as t B sub 1, let the bases vectors of B sub 1 be. So, we have B sub 1 is equals to 2, negative 1. And then V sub 2, we have 1, 0. So, apply the transformation T to its basis vector. So, we have T of V sub 1 is equals to T of 2, negative 1. So, we have negative 4 and 5. Then, si 2, so, dito sa nato na pagkuha si negative 4 and 5. 4, 5. So, we have here the transformation 2, negative 1. So, we have negative 2 plus 2 times negative 1. Then, 3 times 2 plus negative 1. So, we get the negative 4, 5. And the transformation in V2 or transformation 1, 0. So, is equals to, gitimes na nato na siya, negative 1 plus 2 times 0, then 3 times 1 plus 0. So, we have the matrix negative 1, 3. Then, express these outputs as linear combination of the B sub 1 basis vectors. So, we have the transformation of V1. So, negative 4, 5 is equals to C sub 1, 2, negative 1 plus C sub 2, 1, 0. So, from the second coordinate, 5 is equals to negative C1. So, C1 is equals to negative 5. Then, from the first coordinate, negative 4 is equals to 2 times negative 5 plus C sub 2. So, we have C sub 2 is equals to 6. So T of V sub 1, B sub 1 is equals to negative 5, 6. So, for T, T of V sub 2, we have negative 1, 3 is equals to D sub 1 times 2, negative 1 plus D sub 2, 1 times 1, 0. So, from the second coordinate, we have 3 is equals to negative D sub 1 is equals to D sub 1 is equals to negative 3. Then, from the first coordinate, we have negative 1 is equals to 2 times negative 3 plus D sub 2. So, we have D sub 2 is equals to 5. So, therefore, T of V sub 2, B sub 1 is equals to negative 3, 5. So, combine the coordinate columns into a matrix. So, we have negative 5, negative 3, 6, and 5. So, mao na si T B sub 1. And then, use the change of basis theorem to find T B sub 2. Theorem 15 states that the matrix related to a new basis can be found using a transition matrix P. T B sub 2 is equals to P raised to the power of negative 1 T B sub 1 times P. So, where P is P sub B sub 1 to B sub 2 is the transition matrix from B sub 2 to B sub 1. So, let the basis vectors of B sub 2 be U sub 1 is equals to 1, negative 1. Then, U sub 2 is equals to 0 and 0, 1. Ay, wala pa naman. So, find the transition matrix P by writing B sub 2 vectors in terms of B sub 1. So, we have, for U sub 1, we have 1, negative 1 is equals to A sub 1 times 2, negative 1 plus A sub 2 times 1, 0. So, we have A sub 1 is equals to 1, then A sub 2 is equals to negative 1. So, U sub 1, B sub 1 is equals to 1, negative 1. This for U sub 2, we have 0, 1 is equals to B sub 1 times 2, negative 1 plus B sub 2 times 1, 0. 2B sub 1 is equals to negative 1, B sub 2 is equals to 2. So, therefore, U sub 2, B sub 1 is equals to negative 1, 2. So thus, the transition matrix is, we have P is equals to 1, negative 1, negative 1, 2. So, find the inverse matrix or the P raised to power negative 1. So, we have 1 over 1 times 2 minus negative 1 times negative 1 times the matrix 2, 1, 1, 1 is equals to 2, 1, 1, 1. So, let's perform the matrix multiplication. Katong formula kaganina, katong T B sub 2 is equals to the inverse P raised to the power of negative 1 times T B sub 1 P. So, first we compute the T B sub 1 P. So, we have negative 5, negative 3, 6, 5. I-times na to siya ni 1, negative 1, negative 1, 2. So, we have negative 2, negative 1, 1, and 4. Then, multiply by P, negative 1. So, we have T B sub 2 is equals to 2, 1, 1, 1 times negative 2, negative 1, 1, 4 is equals to negative 3, 2, negative 1, 3. So, the final answers in matrix relative to B sub 1, we have T B sub 1 is equals to negative 5, negative 3, 6, 5. Then, the matrix relative to B sub 2, we have T B sub 2 is equals to negative 3, 2, negative 1, 3. Then, the definition 1, similar matrices, let A, B, n times n matrices, we see that A is similar to B if there is an invertible matrix P such that B is equals to P raised to the power of negative 1 AP. So, the notation of similarity establish a relation between matrices. So, this relation is symmetric. That is, if the matrix A is similar to the matrix B, then B is similar to A. So, let A be similar to B, that is, there is an invertible matrix P such that B is equals to P raised to the power negative 1 AP. So, now, let Q is equals to P raised to the power negative 1 so that B can be written as B is equals to QAQ negative 1 raised to the power negative 1. So, hence, A is equals to Q raised to the power negative 1 BQ, establishing that B is similar to A. For this reason, we say that A and B are similar if either A is similar to B or B is similar to A. In addition, the relation is reflexive since any matrix is similar to itself, with P being the identity matrix. This relation is also transitive, that is, if A is similar to B and B is similar to C. Then A is similar to C. Any relation satisfying these three properties is called an inequivalence relation. So that's it. That's all in my report. Thank you for listening.